Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So today I wanted to showcase this unit from a newer company, and the name of this company is WorldNewHair. And let me tell you, I'm feeling myself, okay? Literally and figuratively, but I'm gonna digress. You'll see. Let's carry on. So I have their 180% honey blonde highlight 13x4 lace front wig, and this is in 20 inches, and this is a straight texture. Switching it up a little bit on you, you know? Yes. So this color is like a number 4 mixed with a honey blonde highlight color, which is absolutely gorgeous. Perfect in time for spring. You're gonna get your life in the summer. So yes, if you are interested in checking out this company, I'll have all their information down below, along with some discount codes and more info and a direct link to this wig, because you do want to check out this company because they have affordable hair. And yes, the quality so far, sis, is there. I'm gonna tell you right now, since this is a newer company, I'm going to come back with an update video. I don't know if it's going to be a straight update or I may do like a get ready with me, but I'm definitely going to come back and update you guys about this company. I'm going to wear this wig for probably like 2 weeks and come back and give you guys my authentic feelings about this company, whether I feel like it's OhSo approved or not. So this is just my initial thoughts on this wig. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so I want to come in and show you guys how the hair looks now that it has been washed in deep condition and air dried. It does have a little bit of texture to it, but I really want to show you guys how the hairline looks. It's super duper dense. See that? It definitely needs some customization. Hey y'all, I'm back. It's the next day. So if I look crazy, it's because my makeup isn't completed. But I want to show you guys how the hairline is looking now. I mean, I did a little something. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and adhere this wig down. Sidebar. I'm sipping on some rosé. This is my first time. Baby! I didn't know she smacked like that, okay? I feel like mixing these two, so I'm going to mix the medium brown and the dark brown and see what we get. So I just went medium brown, dark brown. And one thing that I noticed right now is that the adjustable straps in the back, the string or the fabric isn't that long, so you won't be able to adjust it that much, which I think is kind of weird. But another thing that I noticed, which is definitely a pro, is the lace is super thin on this wig. I know I must be feeling just a little bit of that wine, because I don't know what possessed me to lay the baby hairs the way I laid them. I don't know. But this is how it looks in like a flip over method. I feel like these baby hairs is kind of cute, but these over here, they need a little more Jesus. So yeah, I think I was feeling like I was gonna do a middle part, but I might do a side part because I'm liking the way it's looking in the flip over method. My flat iron, ooh shit, bitch. And I got the nerve to have another glass. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a side part. I don't know. Should I do a side part? Let's see. So I'm just using some of the Aussie Instant Freeze Mousse. If you are in tune with my channel, then you have been noticing that I've been raving about this lately. I really like the way it lays down. Straight wigs, curly wigs, synthetic wigs, human wigs. It just lays the hair down. And it doesn't like make it too crunchy. Y'all see that? Like, I don't know if y'all seen that, but it just laid them flyaways down like it was everybody's business, okay? Honestly, I feel like when you use that OhSo mousse, you don't even always have to add heat to get the hair like flattened the way you want it. That's how good that mousse works. And this flat iron that I'm using, not flat iron, but this straightening comb that I'm using, she has seen her days because my daughter uses it. And it seems like anything that my daughter touches, man, the struggle comes to full fruition. She be tearing my ish up. Like, do y'all have any daughters who be all in y'all stuff and they just heavy-handed with it? Like, look, it's just acting dumb retarded. I'm gonna get me another one and I'm gonna let her have this one. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty powder in the shade 410 to blend my part, to try to make it pop and be a little bit pronounced. I don't know if I like this color though. Hold up. And nah, I'm gonna go to another color. We need something a little bit brighter than my skin complexion. So I'm gonna go into my old faithful LA Colors I Love Makeup Contour Palette. Y'all see me use this all the time. And I'm gonna use, I don't know. I'm probably gonna mix these two lighter shades. Make sure when you do this that you like blend it out really good. And as you can see, the parting space goes back really good. So this wig is 20 inches long and I'm between 5'2" and 5'3". Sorry y'all, I'm all over the place. She's a little tipsy. But yes, this is how long it's falling on me before I finish straightening it. Earring came all out. Baby, we struggle. But yes. It's very flowy and lightweight. So now I have flat ironed the hair and you see how silky it is. This hair is so soft, so luscious. The luster is perfect. The density is perfect. The way she flows gives is just giving everything that it needs to give. And it's the color for me. If you guys are interested in checking out this unit, I will link it down below along with any coupon codes or anything that I have for you all. Be sure to check them out because I absolutely love this hair. I am currently rocking it right now and it's been about 4 days later. She's holding up very well. I'll definitely be sure to tap back in with you guys to give you more info on this unit. So until then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.